Hey, in this video I'm going to show you this ZigBee RF Bridge, and this is probably a product that most of you have been waiting for because now you can control Milight, Miboxer and Gledopto products with ZigBee. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button because on this channel we're going to show you more about ZigBee and LEDs in general. So now let's get started. So first of all, this product is very interesting because it's compatible with a couple of ZigBee gateways. Speaking of, Philips Hue, Samsung SmartThings, Amazon Echo Plus with its Alexa, DeConz and ZigBee 2 MQTT. Okay, enough talking. Let's grab the ZigBee Bridge and the GU10 Miboxer LED and connect everything with the Philips Hue Gateway. Alright, so I already prepared the setup for you guys. This is the Miboxer GU10 LED spot and this is the Gledopto ZigBee Bridge. And first of all, we're gonna connect the lamp to the bridge and afterwards we're gonna connect the bridge to the Philips Hue app. So let's start first of all with connecting those two guys with each other, and therefore we're gonna switch on this lamp and I'm gonna push the button right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that worked 3 times. So the green blinking is telling you that it worked already. All right, so next up we gonna connect the ZigBee Bridge with the Philips Hue app. So let's get the app. There it is. So we're gonna go to settings and then we're gonna go to light setup and we want to add a light. So we're gonna search for it, and to make it a little bit more smooth we're gonna switch this one on and off right here, and then we're gonna search for it. Searching for devices. It's gonna take a little while. So there it is, extended color light 1. So let's push this one and then we can rename it to whatever, Miboxer, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna go to rooms and zones and we're gonna select video, Miboxer, and that's it. So now we can go to home and you'll find the Miboxer GU10 in the video room. So green is selected. First of all, we gonna make sure that it's working. So yeah, let's go around the color wheel as you know it. Yeah, red and then back to green. Awesome. So of course you can also dim it down and up again. And as this is a RGB CCT spot, you can also switch between warm white and cold white. And yeah, that's the basic function. So next up is we gonna add this remote to the setup. And why are we doing this? First of all, is to show you that it's working with each other. And the next thing is very interesting. We're going to connect first of all the remote with the lamp, and then I'm going to show you how this is working, but it's still not connected with the app. And we're going to do this afterwards with the ZigBee Bridge. So step by step. First, let's connect the lamp with the remote. So we're gonna switch off the light, on again, and then I'm gonna push the on button. So yeah, connected, blinking up in green. So off and on. All right, so we go to green right now. And as you can see, in the app, there is nothing really working because it shows no color. And we can go around the color wheel. The Geo10 spot is working fine. Nothing is happening in the app. So now we're gonna connect the remote with the bridge. And therefore we're gonna disconnect power of the ZigBee bridge and on again. And then I'm gonna push the on button as well. And this worked fine. Perfect. So now when I'm switching the color, after a while, you can see that the app is synchronizing with the lamp. Now it's a little bit weird because it's yellow, but I'm pretty sure when I'm doing this all over again to blue, then it's gonna adjust in just a few seconds. To blue. That's how it works. So now it should work fine. So next up is I'm going to show you how to disconnect the lamp from the bridge. And this is also pretty easy. All we got to do is switch off the light and switch it on again. Afterwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it's blinking in red. So this is the sign that it worked fine. Last up, this is a nice information. You can connect as much lamps to this ZigBee bridge as you like. All you have to know is this is just one zone. So if you're like switching on and off, you can switch all of them on and off at the same time, but you're not able to like adjust like 10 lamps in green and the other ones into red or something like that. So they are all doing the same thing at the same time. It's just one zone. If you want to add another zone, you will need to get a second one of those guys. Also, a nice information is if you have just a CCT spot or an RGB spot or just a dimmable light, you can also do exactly the same setup as we did. The only thing that is working in the app is like the scope of the lamp itself. So if you just have a dimmable lamp, you can just dim up and down. You will find in the app everything else like RGB and all that other stuff, but it's obviously not working. So yeah, that's all you need to know. So now it's your turn. Tell me which is your favorite gateway and why. And maybe in addition, which LEDs you would like to connect with it. See you next time. Bye.